Good day, everyone. There's our topic today about the impact of the liquid free surface inside a tank of compartment to the vessel stability. The free surface effect significantly reduces the stability of the vessel because when the liquid inside a tank closes its center of the gravity shift effectively, changing the vessel overall center of gravity. Shift can lead to decrease in the vessel rightening moment, making it more prone to capsizing, especially in road, seas, or during maneuver. Here a breakdown of the impact. Reduce the metacentric high GM. Increase the roll period. Dynamic instability and increase risk of capsizing. Good day and thank you.